Look, little friends, here comes the letter A. A is for apple, sweet and red. A is for ant, tiny and busy. A is for airplane, flying high in the sky. Clap your hands and say, A. A is amazing. Here comes the letter B. B is for ball, round and bouncy. B is for banana, sweet and yellow. B is for bird, flying in the sky. Clap your hands and say B, B, B. B is beautiful. Here comes the letter S. C is for cat, soft and cute. C is for car, fast and fun. C is for cake, yummy and sweet. Clap your hands and say S. C is cool. Here comes the letter D. D is for dog, friendly and happy. D is for drum, loud and fun. D is for duck, swimming in the pond. Clap your hands and say D. D is delightful. Here comes the letter E. E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for egg, small and round. E is for eagle, flying high and proud. Clap your hands and say E. E is excellent.
Here comes the letter F. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. F is for frog, hopping happily. F is for flower, blooming so bright. Clap your hands and say F. F is fantastic.
Here comes the letter G. G is for grapes, juicy and sweet. G is for goat, jumping on its feet. G is for guitar, playing a song. Clap your hands and say G. G is great. Here comes the letter H. H is for hat, pretty and round. H is for horse, running on the ground. H is for house, cozy and bright. Clap your hands and say H. H is happy. Here comes the letter E. E is for ice cream, cold and yummy. E is for igloo, snowy and funny. E is for insect, tiny and small. Clap your hands and say E. I is incredible. Here comes the letter J. 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 J is for juice, fresh and sweet. J is for jelly, wobbly treat. J is for jet, flying so high. Clap your hands and say J. J. J is joyful. Here comes the letter K. K is for kite, flying so high. K is for king, with crown held high. K is for koala, cuddly and sweet. Clap your hands and say K. K is kind. Here comes the letter L. L is for lion, strong and proud. L is for leaf, green and round. L is for lamp, shining bright. Clap your hands and say L. L is lovely. Here comes the letter M. M is for monkey, swinging with joy. M is for moon, glowing in the sky. M is for mango, yummy to eat. Clap your hands and say M. M is magical. Here comes the letter N. N is for nest, cozy and small. N is for nose, on your face for all. N is for net, catching things tight. Clap your hands and say N. N is nice. Here comes the letter OO. O is for orange, juicy and round. O is for owl, making a hoot sound. O is for octopus, with arms so long. Clap your hands and say ooh. Here comes the letter P. P. P is for parrot, talking bright. P is for pizza, yummy delight. P is for pen, writing so neat. Clap your hands and say P. P is perfect. Here comes the letter Q, Q, Q. Q is for queen, with a crown so bright. Q is for quilt, cozy at night. Q is for quail, small and sweet. Clap your hands and say Q, Q. Q is quick. Here comes the letter R. R is for rabbit, hopping fast. R is for rainbow, colors that last. R is for ring, shiny and round. Clap your hands and say R. R is radiant. Here comes the letter S. S is for sun, shining bright. S is for star, twinkling at night. S is for snake, slithering long. Clap your hands and say S. S is super. Here comes the letter T. T, T, T. T is for tiger, strong and bold. T is for tree, with leaves of gold. T is for train, going choo-choo. Clap your hands and say T. T is terrific. Here comes the letter OO. OO is for umbrella, keeping us dry. OO is for unicorn, magical sky. OO is for uniform, neat and smart. Clap your hands and say OO. OO is unique. Here comes the letter V. V is for van, driving fast. V is for violin, music that lasts. V is for vegetables, healthy to eat. Clap your hands and say V. V. V is very nice. Here comes the letter W. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. W is for whale, big in the sea. W is for watch, ticking on time. Here comes the letter X. X is for xylophone, colorful sound. X is for X-ray, bones all around. X is for fox, hiding in trees. Clap your hands and say X. X is exciting. Here comes the letter Y. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Y is for yo-yo, spinning along. Y is for yellow, bright and fun. Clap your hands and say Y. Y is yummy. Here comes the letter Z. Z is for zebra, black and white. Z is for zip, pulling up tight. Z is for zoo, animals inside. Clap your hands and say Z. Z is zippy.